Okay guys, this is my master bedroom, which will be turned into my closet in 2020. Again, I warned you that this was a hot mess, and it is a hot mess. You can see that these are some items from my salon in here. Those boxes are full of products and stuff from my salon. Um, yeah, and I just dump stuff in here and I keep going. As you can see, I got laundry to do. Some of the bottom two are clean. The top one is not. Um, Bathroom, toilet is to my right. Sink is to my left. As you see that peek through there. Um, yeah, shower in here. And again, we're going to be redoing the floors in here, and we're going to be taking away that green right there on the vanity sink area. Just a lot is going to happen into this space, and yeah, we're not going to get into too much. That dresser is part of my bed set. We're going to do some things with that. The middle drawers um, right in here are going to be removed, and it's going to be turned into a big vanity. Yeah, guys, sorry. But this is real life. And look, I have an exercise machine right there that I haven't used in I don't know how long. Well, I haven't even opened it. How about that? And it's been like 2 or 3 years. And this is, guys, this is a mess. It is a mess. And, yeah. But we're going on this journey. We're going to get all this stuff out of here and get it together and have it looking like a closet here pretty soon. So, I may start the series with this room, with the decluttering and throwing stuff away. And, yeah. Um, I'm not going to show you too much more of this. But, again, it has become a dumping ground, and for everything. And don't judge. So I dump it and close the door. My grandmother was alive. She'd be knocking me upside my head for having this space like this. But we will get it together. We'll go along this journey with me. Again, it is my goal to inspire you to design your life with style. And I'll see you in the next video.